We live in a demanding world that requires the best of you, regardless of age, race, or color. So get ready, take care of yourself, and open doors to new opportunities with the best cover letter, your smile. At Dental Designs, we take care of keeping your smile in shape. You take care of the rest. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
At Dental Designs, we take care of you. From gentle dentistry to dental implants and oral surgery, we have you covered. All of our services are offered in one office, so there's no need to go anywhere else. Friendly and knowledgeable staff with the best dental technology. 2 convenient locations in Fort Myers and Naples.
At Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Dental Designs, a Fox 4 Your Healthy Family partner.
En nuestro ADN portamos alegría, una herencia de calor, fuerza y amor que nos lleva a traspasar fronteras.
Avanzamos
Y aportamos a nuestra ciudad,
a nuestro país.
con profesionalismo
y excelencia.
También hacemos el trabajo fuerte y lo más importante,
Cuidamos de ti.
Everything is fine. Good work, good friends, good family. Everything is... Depression disguises well. It is silent, and it can be... Seek help and always rejoice in what you have, not in what you lack. Dental Designs promoting mental health, love, and family values.
Hi, my name is Chris Moon. I'm the producer and hit songwriter who discovered Prince. I'm still writing hit songs right here in Fort Myers and looking for great talent. So when I needed the best in dental implants, I went on a nationwide search. One artist emerged as the easy winner. His name, Dr. Padilla of Dental Designs. He is a rock star. Dental Designs, they'll take care of you.
Every day is a new opportunity, a new start. You always have the right to choose. This world needs difference makers, those who strive to provide nothing but the best. We are difference makers. It's time to improve ourselves as a team and a community, and always with a smile. Choose the best team. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Good morning, I'm Kawana Lotso, patient of Dr. Padilla here at Dental Designs. I came in and I met the staff. Everybody was so wonderful and so accommodating and just very professional. The outcome was magnificent. I recommend Dental Designs to everyone at my church, in my workplace, everyone. Dental Designs, they certainly take care of you.
Hi, my name is Crystal Johnson. I'm a real estate agent here in Naples, Florida. I've been a patient of Dr. Padilla's for over 16 years. I brought my children here for all their orthodontics. I have referred friends, family, and clients here for any kind of dentistry they needed. And although I have felt very special to them my whole life, I highly encourage you to come to Dental Designs as you will become family as well. Here at Dental Designs, the staff, the doctors, they take care of you.
Are you ashamed to smile? At Dental Designs, we can help you regain your confidence in just one day. Our advanced technologies, such as 3D scanning and digital dental printing, enable us to design and plant dental implants with precision and efficiency. Patients can eat, speak, and smile with total confidence and comfort. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation at 239-628-1300 or visit topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
My name is Cal Latimer. During Hurricane Ian, I had the misfortune of having an accident which resulted in me breaking off my front teeth. I met Dr. Padilla, and I can't say enough good things about him. The staff is simply terrific. I would highly recommend Dental Designs to anyone. The office setup is also simply amazing. It's wonderful what he's done. They will take care of you, and it will be perfect. I can't say enough about them.
Dental Designs, a Fox 4 Your Healthy Family partner.
Hi, I'm Dr. Padilla, founder of Dental Designs, and today we're going to be talking about certain myths of dental implants. The first myth that most people usually talk about is, are dental implants painful? Dental implants, given the proper scenario, given the right amount of bone, making sure that there's no medical contraindications, have become a very easy process for the patient. There are some intricacies that we have to be concerned about, but that's from our part to making sure that you're a right candidate for it. The second myth that I usually get from most patients is, how cumbersome is the whole process? Here at Dental Designs, we're bringing technology every day to make sure that we make the process as easy as possible for the patient. From CAD/CAM designing, 3D imaging, to making sure that the process is as easy as possible for the patient to make sure you get the best quality of care and the least amount of time. For more information, you can always contact us at Dental Designs at topdentaldesigns.com. At Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Dental Designs, a Fox 4 Your Healthy Family partner.
The greatest warriors are always sent to the greatest battles. We are a state of warriors. Today, after this blow, we rise again with more strength because we are a strong nation. Get up, let's get up and rebuild this land. Today we live a new beginning. Southwest Florida, stronger than ever. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Dental Designs Naples and Fort Myers unfold a family dream of a couple who decided to launch a versatile dental company for any population's needs in Southwest Florida. Since 2004, Dr. Padilla and his wife, Ms. Santiago, decided to move Naples, Florida, and start Dental Expressions Laser Dentistry of Naples. In 2013, decided to rename Dental Expressions into Dental Designs, and through hard work, studies, and countless nights, Dr. Padilla and Solimar transformed 4-employee office into the magnitude we are today, incorporating knowledgeable doctors and staff into the organization to provide the best care to our patients. Our wide range of dental procedures excels in the spectrum of modern technology, providing an unlimited source of treatments, from basic to total reconstructions in the same place. Therefore, the need to constantly promote a trustful environment as the company rapidly grows in the area, along with a solid patient-company relationship. Furthermore, with currently more than 65 employees, we take pride in our team members,
Dental Designs,
who are part of the accomplishments and success with a futuristic Empower as a family.
Christmas is here, and you're not alone. Dental Designs wishes you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oral health tips for diabetics. Unfortunately for those with diabetes, they are more likely than others to develop oral infections and gum disease due to excess glucose or sugar in the blood. Diabetics also experience more serious infections than patients without periodontal disease. These people must be especially careful during COVID-19 pandemic. If you have diabetes, here are some tips to protect your oral health. First, keep your blood sugar levels as close to your goal as possible. Then follow the diet recommended by your doctor. As for oral hygiene, brush your teeth in the morning, upon waking, just before bed, after all meals, and after all snacks that contain sugar or starch. Call us at any of our offices, Naples or Fort Myers, at 239-628-1300. Look for us on social media at Top Dental Designs and on the web, topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Is using a mouthwash good for your oral health? Anytime we brush our teeth, we always want to complement it with a great mouthwash. And what mouthwashes do is not only rinse off whatever excess of bacteria you have, but it also controls the amount of bacteria that's actually in your mouth. That way, we now are protecting the teeth along the way. So yes, mouthwash is great, and keeping it in your mouth for at least 30 seconds to a minute's time is always great and effective to be able to do. So for any additional advice, you can always contact us at Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
You wake up every day giving the best of you. No matter all the work that is required. You are always there. You are a mother, a relentless woman. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
How can dental implants improve our quality of life? Dental implants were created to not only replace one tooth or two teeth, but sometimes even replace a full set of teeth. By doing so, we're actually improving how you can eat, function, interact with people, and that to us is a great quality of life. So yes, dental implants were created to replace teeth, but the biggest factor is making sure that you can enjoy life to the fullest every single day. For more information on dental implants, you can always call us at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Dental Designs, a Fox 4 Your Healthy Family partner.
Hi, I'm Dr. Padilla, founder of Dental Designs, and today we're going to be talking about what new technologies are out there for dental implants. Here at Dental Designs, we have incorporated every possible technology to make sure that the process is as seamless as possible for the patient. From CAD/CAM designing, having CEREC or any other softwares like that to be able to scan the patient, to then bring in 3D imaging that now allows us to be able to integrate both the face, the 3D image, and the CAD/CAM design. We avoid dental impressions to be able to create a final product that is done within less amount of time, making the process as easy as possible for you, given the circumstance that you may have. For more information, you can always contact us at Dental Designs in Naples or Fort Myers at 239-628-1300, through our social media, and at topdentaldesigns.com. At Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Dental Designs, a Fox 4 Your Healthy Family partner.
People over 65, according to Medicare, are more likely to suffer from oral health problems. Dry mouth, for example, caused by medications, certain diseases, or cancer treatments, reduces the flow of saliva that fights bacteria and leaves older people more vulnerable to disease. Dentures that don't fit properly lead to inflammation, while recession of the gums exposes the tooth roots without enamel and increases the risk of cavities. Older people are advised to brush twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste and rinse with an antibacterial mouthwash, once or twice a day. If you experience a dental emergency such as severe pain, swelling, or inflammation, call your dentist right away for help. Call us at any of our offices, Naples or Fort Myers at 239-628-1300. Look for us on social media at Top Dental Designs and on the web, topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
If I don't take care of my teeth, will that affect my overall health? This is a question that most of my patients actually have. Again, with great hygiene, we have great outcomes, but everything starts through our mouths. We get bacteria, we get infections, and sometimes we don't know we have them, and as we eat and do most of our daily routines, we actually pass it on to the rest of our bodies, and our bodies are trying to handle everything all together. But here at Dental Designs, we have proper care methods to make sure that we avoid all these infections and we give you the best outcome for not only your health of your mouth, but also the rest of your body. You can always contact us at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
My name is Rubén Celiberti. I was born in Rosario, Argentina, 58 years ago. When I was a very child, 3 years old, I became immediately artist, pianist, ballet dancer, and singer. I was in Italy 22 years, 8 years in France, working there, and I was dancing and singing in TV shows, theater, music, comedy, ballet. I was working online with the ABT, American Ballet Theater of New York, with the principal dancer there. I visit Ramon Padilla. I knew him 8 years ago. In a moment that I was really a disaster. My mouth was a disaster. And in a day, he bring a wonderful solution for my problem. So now I am here for the first steps that I will certainly become more happy.
Perfect. So the surgery is going to be from either 7 or 8 in the morning, and it can last from 12 to 1.
During the process of getting Mr. Celiberti treated for teeth in a day, we had to consider all the factors, how the condition of his teeth, the condition of his bone, making sure that we have the substructure available to make sure that our implants are going to be nice and implanted, and they're actually going to be integrated into the bone while the new teeth are actually being fabricated. So we're prepared for surgery today. This is our lower or mandibular TEID, or teeth in a day, and placing 5 to 6 implants depending on how the bone is looking once we do the osteoplasty or the reduction of the actual bone. During his procedure, we first started by removing all the teeth that were affected, so now his upper jaw is free of any of the dentition. We did have to remove a lot of that bone that has been affected, making sure that there's no infection, that all that bone is nice and clear, leaving a beautiful new substructure for the implants to go into place. Several implants have been placed in the area. As the implants are placed, we use plasma and we use grafting around the implants to make sure that the survival of the implant is of utmost importance, making sure that that implant is nice and healthy so that we have a good substructure and good force for the new teeth that are going into place. We have copings that now go over that substructure that are now going to attach to the new teeth that are going to be fabricated immediately today. Once all that is placed, we actually close all the gum tissue, and then now we can actually take molds so we can fabricate that new set of teeth that has been partially made prior to the appointment, but now we're going to adjunct it to what we are actually fabricating new. Once we take the new molds for the teeth, we go to the lab when we fabricate all the components, we polish everything, and now we're placing the new teeth back on Celiberti so that when he wakes up, he has a new full set of teeth that are nice and anchored onto the newly placed implants that were placed today, given the concept, teeth in a day.
Ramon Padilla is something really special, and I like to be with the people very talented. It's very important, the confidence. My admiration for him is enormous because you find the solution immediately.
Patients love this process because it's fast, it's effective, it's very satisfying, and it's less of a hassle for all patients, especially when they have circumstances where the teeth that they have left are just not fully functional anymore, and you just want to avoid the hassle of incurring expenses in the years to come. So that's why Teeth in a Day has been created, and just like Celiberti, now we have a great product for him to have and a great structure for his final teeth.
Every people here in this group are amazing because understand the problem of people. They are for hearing you what happened. And they are all the time in communication and understanding and hearing and near you. That is fantastic because you open the door, immediately, hello, welcome. That is amazing.
Once the implants were placed, we wait an additional 2 to 3 months, and the implants that we placed at that day are now re-exposed so that we can now fabricate the final piece. We take master molds, we scan, and we recreate a new zirconia piece that is made of a strong material, which now the patient can comfortably use for years to come. And the best thing about zirconia, plaque, tartar, stains don't build up on zirconia, giving them a long-lasting, very, very strong smile.
I open my eyes, I find my smile immediately, without pain, and I was eating, laughing, and singing. So, Dental Designs, they take care of you.
Mi nombre es Marisa González Marrero. A la edad de 18 años, yo perdí 2 dientecitos. Y bueno, tuve que acudir a una prótesis, la cual no era de mi agrado. Decidí llamar a la oficina y pedir que me atendieran. Me hicieron un trabajo de implante. Felizmente voy a tener mis dientecitos fijos. El doctor ha trabajado con tanta confianza, con tanta seguridad, porque no es por nada, tiene manos de ángel.
Dental Designs, we take care of you.
What is an apicoectomy and when is it needed? An apicoectomy is a procedure that's done after a root canal has been done and still the infection that is at the very end of the root tip has not resolved. In order to be able to resolve it, we have to go through the side of the actual jaw and remove the tip of the tooth along with the infection or abscess. Once we remove that section of the root, then now the tooth can actually heal and we can maintain that tooth for years to come. Besides an apicoectomy, the next option would be to have an implant. But in most situations, we always try to maintain that tooth as much as possible. Therefore, thank God that we have these procedures that we can actually do. For additional information, you can always contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. At Dental Designs, we take care of you. Why are dental implants the best option? Given the scenario where we have teeth that are failing, or teeth that even if we do root canal therapy and try to save them, they won't last for a long time, dental implants can become the best approach. And not only provides you the best stability, but long term, they have the best durability. And that makes implants very popular. This is the new trend in dentistry, given that it's going to give you a longer lifetime of great dentition for your mouth. Therefore, you can always contact us at Dental Designs if you have any additional questions regarding dental implants at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
What to do if your child has a dental emergency? If your child has a dental emergency, don't panic. Dental offices provide emergency treatment during the COVID-19 pandemic. Call your dentist as soon as an emergency occurs and use these tips to help your child through their dental appointment. Number 1, in the event of a tooth loss not accompanied by a serious injury, store the tooth in milk and take him to the dentist. The professional can re-implant the tooth in its socket. Number 2, if your child breaks a tooth, ask him to rinse his mouth with warm water. Decrease the inflammation with cold compresses on the face. Number 3, for tooth pain, try having your child rinse with warm water and floss to expel any food. If pain persists, call a dentist. Untreated dental emergencies can lead to infection or can be a sign of infection. That is why it is important to address them immediately. Call us at any of our offices, Naples or Fort Myers at 239-628-1300. Look for us on social media at Top Dental Designs and on the web, topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Are you ready? Football season is here. Put on your football gear and cheer on your team. At Dental Designs, we live the football passion with you. We are team players with the best team. Our team is always ready, working hard, creating smiles. With commitment and passion, Dental Designs, we take care of you.
There are attitudes, words, whispers, and even silences that hurt. Verbal abuse is violence. Don't allow it. Let's celebrate love in its highest purity. Loving is a decision that doesn't hurt. Love heals. Dental Designs, promoting love and family values.
Today we're going to be covering tools for a better smile. One of the best tools we can use for a better smile is the right toothbrush. Now, most people ask me, is it a soft, medium, or hard toothbrush? The best toothbrush for you is actually a soft bristle toothbrush. Medium or hard are too abrasive for your teeth and they can actually cause damage. But if you really want to go an extra step, get an electric toothbrush similar to a Sonicare, where the ultrasonic vibrations are now going to help you not only cleanse the tooth, but ultrasonically you're actually cleaning the surface, leaving a much more clean surface for the bacteria not to be able to attach. That way your smile is actually healthier. For more information, you can always contact us at Dental Designs in Naples or Fort Myers at 239-628-1300, at topdentaldesigns.com, through our social media, and you can also follow us through TikTok. At Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Today we're talking about bad habits that we do every day, like chewing ice or pagophagia can have serious consequences for your dental health. The American Dental Association lists ice as one of the top 9 foods that damage your teeth. Tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, yet chewing ice can still damage it. By damaging the enamel, we leave the tooth more vulnerable to acid attacks and tooth decay. Another consequence that can come from chewing ice is breaking teeth. Having a tooth or a molar crack can lead to serious pain, and sometimes, depending on the size of the damage, the tooth cannot be saved, and then we end up having to have the tooth extracted. Our recommendation is to avoid this habit and visit your dentist at least 2 times a year to maintain good oral health. For more info about oral care, please contact us at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. Also, follow us on social media at Top Dental Designs on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and now on TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Do you know who works 24/7 in your home? Who gets up the earliest? Who goes to bed late at night? Who has given everything to you? Who would give her own life for you? We all agree on this.
My mom.
My mom. Definitely my mom.
We celebrate Mother's Month. Dental Designs, we take care of you. Father is the one who lifts us up when we fail and guides us through life's challenges, in addition to teaching us important habits such as good oral hygiene. At Dental Designs, we continue the legacy of our parents, guiding our community to have good oral health. This Father's Day, let's give him that smile back so he can continue to light up the world with his love. At Dental Designs, we celebrate Father's Month. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Dentistry is the medical area dedicated to the study of teeth and adjoining structures and the treatment of these diseases that affect them. This specialty is in charge of everything related to the stomatic-gnathic apparatus, which is formed by the set of organs and tissues of the oral cavity and in some areas of the skull, neck, and face. This discipline is responsible for protecting people's oral health, preventing and remedying oral diseases. The main oral ailments, such as caries, periodontal pathologies, or tooth loss, can be prevented by constantly maintaining an adequate oral hygiene routine and regularly visiting the dentist, a professional dedicated to this specialty. For a consultation, you can call our offices in Naples and Fort Myers at 239-628-1300. Look for us on social media or visit us on our website at topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Today we're going to talk about when should I take my child to the dentist for their first checkup. Many parents don't realize that babies and toddlers can get cavities, but they can and they do. As soon as your child gets a tooth, that tooth can begin to decay. This is why it's so important to schedule a dental checkup for your baby when the first tooth comes in. In fact, the CDC, the American Academy of Pediatrics, the American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry, and the American Dental Association all recommend that you bring your child in for a dental checkup no later than your child's first birthday, even if no teeth have emerged yet. So what exactly happens at a dental appointment for babies? As you might expect, your child's pediatric dentist will examine your baby's teeth. The dentist will look not only for signs of tooth decay, but also for any conditions that may require special care. For many patients, however, the first visit will end up being primarily an important educational opportunity for parents. For example, your child's pediatric dentist will teach you how to properly care for your baby's teeth and gums. Daily brushing and flossing are essentials for preventing cavities. We always recommend visiting your dentist regularly to maintain great oral health. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, for more information, contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 and visit our website, topdentaldesigns.com, and follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Today we're talking about our series, Bad Habits That We Do Every Day. Brushing with charcoal toothpaste. Trying to remove stains or looking for solutions to whitening teeth can lead you to use alternatives like charcoal toothpaste. Using an abrasive toothpaste that has charcoal in it can cause too much abrasion, wearing down your tooth enamel in the long run. Once your enamel is gone, it's gone. Our recommendation is to avoid the use of charcoal toothpaste and visit your dentist at least 2 times a year to maintain good oral health. For more info about oral care, please contact us at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. Also, follow us on social media at Top Dental Designs on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and now on TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
What innovations have been present in dentistry today? Dentistry has changed dramatically. CAD/CAM dentistry has been phenomenal in our practice, where we now can actually digitalize most of what we actually do to be able to reconstruct not only crowns, bridges, but even implants to be able to give patients a new smile in a much more precise way. So we have to combine the traditional ways of dentistry with the new art of digital technology and then mesh them together to provide you the best service possible. And that's what we do here at Dental Designs. From digital dentistry to digital radiographs, everything is all incorporated to make sure that we provide the best, most innovative service that is available today in dentistry. For more information, you can always contact us at Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. At Dental Designs, we take care of you.
What are the advances in dental treatments in the 21st century? Nowadays, great importance is attached to the position of your teeth and their correct alignment to prevent future periodontal or cariogenic diseases. Studies show that misalignment of the teeth can prevent healthy and complete hygiene measures, causing significant bone loss, inflammation of the gums, and accumulation of food between the teeth that is difficult to remove. With advances in dentistry in the 21st century, it has been possible to use new techniques thanks to the use of scanners and 3D printers. These devices allow us to develop transparent aligners that we use to move teeth, like Invisalign for example, which don't require the use of dental brackets. For more information on this or any other topic, you can contact any of our offices in Naples and Fort Myers at 239-628-1300. Look for us on social networks or visit the website topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
What type of dental cleanings are there available? So we have our regular cleaning, we have our full mouth debridement, we have periodontal therapy or deeper cleanings, and then we have surgery and maintenance after that. So with a typical cleaning, there's no anesthetic involved. We actually just go in and we make sure that everything's debrided or cleaned above the gum line. With a full mouth debridement, usually this is a patient that hasn't been into the office for more than 6 months, usually a year, 2 or 3, but we want to get the patient back into shape so we can get them back into a routine. When we do periodontal therapy or a deeper cleaning, we have to use local anesthetics. Now we're going below the gum line to be able to debride all these areas. If the patient hasn't healed adequately, if they have more beyond this, then now we have to go into a gum surgery where now we have to open the gums to be able to clean the inside surfaces of those teeth so that now everything can heal and go back to its adequate level again. And our goal is to make sure that we take you to the best proper place in terms of your health. For more information, you can always contact us at Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or on our website at topdentaldesigns.com. At Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Another great advance in dentistry during the 21st century has been in the field of implantology. With dental implants, we have the capability to replace the teeth that have been lost and replenish your ability to chew and smile, which used to be very difficult to achieve. In this field, progress has been made to the point where it is now possible to place the implant and the newly fixed tooth on the same day. At the level of dental aesthetics, there have also been significant advances. With the development of new adhesion systems and materials, dental veneers can be made without the need to file teeth. Some of these systems even allow us to show 3D smile designs so that you can see the final result of your aesthetic treatment before you've even started it. For a consultation, you can call our offices in Naples and Fort Myers at 239-628-1300. Look for us on social media or visit us on our website at topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Can your age affect the health of your dental implant? Age is actually not a factor for the health of your dental implant. I've placed dental implants on patients from the age of 20 to the ages of 94 years old. Age is really not a factor. What is a factor is how well do we maintain our dental implants. Here at Dental Designs, we provide a great maintenance package so that we can actually take care of your dental implants and make sure that they last you a lifetime. You can always contact us at Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. At Dental Designs, we take care of you.
For today's topic, let's talk about implant crowns. I often get the question, what is the difference between a crown on an implant or on a natural tooth? As its name indicates, crowns on implants are those that go on the implants that the surgeon has previously placed. Once the integration time of the implant has passed, the prosthodontist takes some measures to be able to place the crown on top. As we indicated previously, multiple tests must be carried out to obtain an excellent result. These prostheses on implants can be screw retained or cemented, If they are screw retained, the specialist can remove them in case of breakage. Crowns on a natural tooth, however, are placed on the patient's own tooth. Dental prosthetics on implants are the best solution to replace missing or bad teeth. Dental implants guarantee the proper functioning of the oral cavity, being the safest, most durable, and effective option. For more information on this or any other topic, you can contact any of our offices in Naples or Fort Myers at 239-628-1300. Look for us on social networks or visit the website topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
We are going to be talking now about periodontitis, which is the late brother of gingivitis. Periodontitis is when we actually get inflammation in our gums that is now deeper, so the bone starts now decreasing its height, and that's how we suffer bone loss. And as we suffer more bone loss, then our teeth become more weak, or they're more prone to decay, or we even lose these teeth. Here at Dental Designs, we have many ways of treating periodontitis. We utilize lasers, periodontal treatments to be able to get rid of that infection, and we actually have mucogingival surgeries and even grafting to be able to counteract a lot of the damage that sometimes occurs when periodontitis actually occurs. Therefore, you can always contact any of our doctors at Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com if you want to get some more information regarding periodontitis. Here at Dental Designs, we take care of you. What is teeth in a day? Teeth in a day is another option or choice for patients when they want something that is actually totally fixed. Teeth in a day is when we now fabricate a full set of teeth on the same day that we do the actual surgery. So patients have teeth that are just in their final stages, and now we have to remove these teeth. So at the same time that we're removing the teeth, we're making sure that we get rid of all the infection in the area, and now we're placing the implants in specific areas to make sure that we have good anchors. Now that we have those anchors, we can actually fabricate an appliance that is now screwed into the area, and now the patient has a prosthesis or a final appliance that will not come off. Again, this is what Teeth in a Day is. If you have any more questions regarding Teeth in a Day, you can always contact us at Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. At Dental Designs, we take care of you. What conditions can be developed due to the lack of good oral hygiene? Lack of good oral hygiene brings many critical consequences for teeth, which often go unnoticed until it is too late. Some of these conditions could be gum disease, tooth infection, and tooth decay, among others, which can all be prevented by having dental cleanings and exams. This way you can avoid even bigger complications. At Dental Designs, we have added the use of Velscope, an innovation that helps us detect oral cancer through tissue elimination. This is very important, especially when we are entering the advanced age or if we are predisposed to cancer. This simple, non-invasive exam is provided by the hygienist, and in many situations, the cost is fully covered by Medicare. Like always, you can contact us in our offices in Naples and Fort Myers at 239-628-1300, follow us on social media at Top Dental Designs, and our webpage, topdentaldesigns.com. Dental Designs, we take care of you. On our series Tools for a Better Smile, today we're going to be talking about dental floss. There's several different types of floss, that would be wax, unwaxed, but it's just the way we actually use the floss that actually makes a difference. Make sure that your floss covers the corners of your tooth and wraps around that corner and just goes up and down, releasing that plaque so that you don't accumulate it. And it's always best to floss before you brush. That way, after you floss, you can now brush away all that plaque that you've loosened up, and now your teeth are beautiful and clean. For more information, you can always contact us at our offices in Naples or Fort Myers at 239-628-1300 or on topdentaldesigns.com. You can also follow us on our social media through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and now on TikTok. Here at Dental Designs, we take care of you. In our series for Tools for a Better Smile, today we're going to be talking about oral irrigators. Oral irrigators are what we call an add-on to what you typically use on a regular basis. We typically brush and floss. This add-on is now an irrigator that can actually have not only a regulator for what speed we want the water to come through, but we can also put medications inside of it so we can actually cleanse the area. Patients that typically use this are either our teens that have braces so that they can cleanse between the brackets, or our adults that have bridges, crowns, or any fixed prosthetic device so that they can keep it nice and clean. For more information, you can always contact us at Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or at topdentaldesigns.com. You can also follow us through our social media at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and now on TikTok. Here at Dental Designs, we take care of you. On our series of Tools for a Better Smile, today we're going to be talking about teeth whitening. Teeth whitening is very popular nowadays, but of course you see it in toothpaste, you see it on social media. Be careful with what you use for teeth whitening. The only teeth whiteners that actually work effectively are peroxides, and these are specialized peroxides that either can be activated in the office or that your dentist can provide them for you so you can use them at home. These peroxides are safe for your teeth and will not affect your structure. Any other agents can be either abrasive or just not work at all. For more information, you can always contact us at our offices in Naples or Fort Myers at 239-628-1300 or on topdentaldesigns.com. You can also follow us on our social media through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and now on TikTok. Here at Dental Designs, we take care of you.
What do you mean by all treatments in the same place? At Dental Designs, we offer a wide range of dental solutions all under a single roof for your convenience, from dental cleanings to complex surgeries like teeth in the same day. We can provide your crown and a new full set of teeth in the same day and same location, with the highest technology in-house and the best professionals. We are here at Dental Designs, Naples and Fort Myers to take care of you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, for more information, contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300. Visit our website at topdentaldesigns.com and follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Padilla here at Dental Designs, and today we're going to be talking about how long does the typical orthodontic treatment take. Orthodontics, or moving the teeth into proper positions, is a lengthy procedure. It can take from 6 months to about 2 years. And that's about the average time for most cases, between 12 to 18, 24 months. Anything above 24 months is just specific to the person, but we try to avoid that as much as possible because the longer you have the brackets on, of course, the more prone you are to cavities or any other problems. There are some situations, almost like mine, where I have braces for 5 years, but sometimes it's because financially, that's what the patient has to do to be able to suffice the cost. Here at Dental Designs, we try to make sure that we don't compromise the benefit of the treatment with the cost associated to it. That's why we look for every possible alternative to make sure that you have a beautiful smile while you still have healthy teeth. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also get more information as you contact us through Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or visit our website at topdentaldesigns.com. You can also follow us on social media through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Here at Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Hi guys, Dr. Ray is here with Dental Designs, and today's question is, how safe are traditional dental x-rays and are the new digital x-rays better? Maintaining good oral health is ideal for your overall health. Poor oral health is often associated with other problems like heart disease. The first step towards maintaining oral health is a digital x-ray for teeth conducted at your local dentist. Oral images play a critical role in assisting dentists in diagnosing issues that could cause tooth decay and, in worst case scenario, tooth loss in later stages in life. Traditional x-rays have been used for over 100 years. When a traditional x-ray is about to be taken, you are covered with a huge lead apron to protect your body and organs from needless radiation. However, it's good to note that the radiation experienced during a single session isn't sufficient to cause problems on its own. In the late 1980s, scientists discovered the digital x-ray. Digital radiography utilizes computer technology and electronic sensors and produces tiny bursts of radiation. Unlike traditional x-rays, the image is not printed on a film. Instead, it's projected onto a computer screen as soon as the sensor is placed near the mouth. Currently, most dental offices only offer digital x-rays to their patients. It improves the patient experience. Digital x-rays are safer and quicker than traditional radiography. At Dental Designs, we are proud to work with top-notch technology and traditional and digital x-rays. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, for more information, contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300. Visit our website, topdentaldesigns.com, and follow us on all of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
What technology do we have in Dental Designs? The technology that we provide gives you the best advantages for improving the health of your teeth. At Dental Designs, we work with top-notch technology like digital scanners. One of the early steps in determining the condition of your teeth is getting as much accurate information as possible with a digital scan. We also offer Zoom bleaching. This method works by using a combination of hydrogen peroxide whitening gel and an LED light to brighten the teeth by several shades. The results can last for several months or even over a year. Laser dentistry. This process can be used for treating many dental issues such as tooth hypersensitivity, tooth decay, gum disease, and whitening teeth. Intraoral digital camera. This device allows us to diagnose and help treat dental caries and monitor restorations on teeth by capturing high-quality images. Clear aligners. This is an orthodontic tool used to align teeth in a fashion similar to braces, but it uses clear plastic aligners to treat a variety of dental issues. These modern tools make the process of identifying dental problems significantly easier and allow us to offer better solutions than many common tools of the past. Anything that makes our lives easier allows us to provide the highest quality of services to you in order to help your teeth stay healthy and look their best. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, for more information, contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300. Visit our website, topdentaldesigns.com, and follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Hi guys, Dr. Ray is here with Dental Designs, and today's question is, what is an amalgam or silver fillings and are they safe? Dental amalgam, also known as silver filling material, is a mixture of mercury and metal alloys used to fill a hole in the tooth after decay has been removed by a dentist. Amalgam commonly consists of mercury, silver, tin, copper, and other trace metals like zinc. In the 1800s, amalgam became the dental restorative material of choice due to its low cost, ease of application, strength, and durability. Recently, however, concerns for appearance, environmental pollution, health, and the availability of improved, reliable composite filling material have diminished its popularity. In particular, concerns about the toxicity that mercury may have is increasingly controversial. So now we have alternatives like composite resin, glass ionomer, and porcelain, among a few other options. Most consumers choose direct composite fillings because the white coloring matches the tooth better and the cost is considered moderate. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, for more information, contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300. Visit our website, topdentaldesigns.com, and follow us on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Are clear aligners the same as braces? They are not the same, but both can help you achieve the smile that you want. Clear aligners, also known as invisible braces, are custom-made mouthpieces molded from medical-grade plastic that apply pressure to teeth, guiding them to the desired position. Clear aligners are a discreet alternative to traditional metal braces. Aligners can treat most cases, but not all. In complex situations, your orthodontist may recommend braces rather than aligners, but each person and each treatment are unique. So please book your consultation to guide you through the best treatment available for your personal dental needs. We always recommend visiting your dentist regularly to maintain great oral health. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, for more information, contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300. Visit our website at topdentaldesigns.com and follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Chloe Reyes, Doctor of Dental Designs of Naples, and today's tip is what causes bad breath. Bad breath, also known as halitosis, can be embarrassing and in some cases may even cause anxiety. It's no wonder that store shelves are overflowing with gum, mints, mouthwashes, and other products designed to fight bad breath. But many of these products are only temporary measures because they don't address the cause of the problem. Certain foods, health conditions, and habits are among the many cases of bad breath. In many cases, you can improve bad breath with consistent, proper dental hygiene. If simple self-care techniques don't solve the problem, see your dentist or a physician to be sure a more serious condition isn't causing your bad breath. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, for more information, contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300. Visit our website at topdentaldesigns.com and follow us on all our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Padilla here at Dental Designs, and today we're going to be talking about what level of discomfort to expect from teeth in a day. Amazingly, very small or no pain whatsoever. Most patients that go through the process, as we remove the teeth, all the areas of infection or bone that's actually affected is actually removed, and the implants are incorporated and fixated onto the actual new teeth. Therefore, nothing is actually moving. Because nothing is actually moving, the level of discomfort is very minimal to none. Most patients do say they do have some inflammation, but given we have placed teeth and implants all together in one day, so something is to be expected, but most patients are actually very surprised that the level of discomfort is very minimal to almost none. That's why we highly recommend, especially for compromised patients, because they go through the process and it's a lot easier for the body to go through it and give them the satisfaction of giving fixed teeth. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also get more information as you contact us through Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or visit our website at topdentaldesigns.com. You can also follow us on social media through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Here at Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Hi guys, Dr. Ray is here with Dental Designs, and today's question is, what is an amalgam or silver fillings and are they safe? Dental amalgam, also known as silver filling material, is a mixture of mercury and metal alloys used to fill a hole in the tooth after decay has been removed by a dentist. Amalgam commonly consists of mercury, silver, tin, copper, and other trace metals like zinc. In the 1800s, amalgam became the dental restorative material of choice due to its low cost, ease of application, strength, and durability. Recently, however, concerns for appearance, environmental pollution, health, and the availability of improved, reliable composite filling material have diminished its popularity. In particular, concerns about the toxicity that mercury may have is increasingly controversial. So now we have alternatives like composite resin, glass ionomer, and porcelain, among a few other options. Most consumers choose direct composite fillings because the white coloring matches the tooth better and the cost is considered moderate. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, for more information, contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300. Visit our website, topdentaldesigns.com, and follow us on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Padilla here at Dental Designs, and today we're going to be talking about teeth in a day. Teeth in a day is a concept where people have reached a point where their teeth are just not strong enough, or there's no teeth at all, and they do not want to wear dentures, and they want something more stable and fixed to be able to enjoy their life to the fullest. Teeth in a Day is when we now place anchors or dental implants that are going to be incorporated into the bone, replacing the root structures that you used to have, and now a set of teeth is actually fabricated over it, and it's actually sustained by small screws. These teeth do not come off, providing you a very stable smile. And ultimately, our patients are going to have a final zirconia piece, which is going to give them a very durable smile. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also get more information as you contact us through Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or visit our website at topdentaldesigns.com. You can also follow us on social media through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Here at Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Hi guys, Dr. Reyes here with Dental Designs, and today's question is, my dentist says that I have a cavity and that I need a filling, but why doesn't my tooth hurt? It's not uncommon to visit your dentist and be surprised when they discover that you have a cavity. Your tooth may not always hurt when you have a cavity. When you don't have any pain, it might not always be easy to figure out that something is wrong. Although a cavity might not be causing you a great deal of pain, it's possible that there is a very big problem. Cavities are areas that have suffered tooth decay. They might appear as tiny openings or holes in your teeth. They can be caused by a number of different things, such as bacteria, snacking often, drinking a lot of sugary drinks, or the lack of good oral care. The signs that you might have a cavity depend on the location of the cavity and the extent of the decay. A cavity may not hurt your tooth right away because it might be asymptomatic, as it's just beginning to develop. As it progresses though, you might experience one of these symptoms: spontaneous toothache that happens without apparent cause, sensitivity to temperature, mild or sharp pain when you eat or drink something sweet, hot, or cold, visible holes or pits in your teeth, pain when you bite down, brown, black, or white staining on any surface of the tooth. We always recommend visiting your dentist regularly to prevent cavities and maintain great oral health. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, for more information, contact Dental Designs at 239-628-1300. Visit our website, topdentaldesigns.com, and follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Dental Designs, we take care of you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Padilla with Dental Designs, and today we're going to be talking about overdentures or implant-supported removable dentures versus teeth in a day. Most patients ask me, if I'm already getting 3 or 4 implants in place, why don't I just go into teeth in a day? The biggest difference between one or the other is that overdentures are removable, that you can actually take them off and on. They do provide a certain level of comfort, but they can still move as they were chewing, and you can actually take them off. With time, those grips will wear down, you can have them replaced, but it is still a removable piece. For those patients that are looking for something completely stable, that's when we go into teeth in a day. Teeth in a day is completely fixed, it does not come off. There is a price difference. Usually teeth in a day is double the cost of what an overdenture would be. But I will be honest with you, once you go fixed, there's no turning back. It's fantastic, is what most people are looking for. Overdentures, some people start with overdentures and eventually they go into teeth in a day. Again, it's just going the longer way, but it is a possibility for all patients. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also get more information as you contact us through Dental Designs at 239-628-1300 or visit our website at topdentaldesigns.com. You can also follow us on social media through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Here at Dental Designs, we take care of you.